Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about the adjustments that we need to do before start any project in Adobe InDesign. After you open InDesign, you can see the welcome page, and on the top, if you click on edit, select the last option, which is preferences. Then we have access to all different options that we can edit for each project. So if you click on general, all the options with the it's opening the preferences window. The first thing that it's good to look at that is units and increments. So in here you can set the ruler units, that if you wanted to work in what kind of units, is it inches, pixels, millimeters, and so on. So you can set the horizontal and vertical units to inches. Also, the original document, you can, based on the project that you are going to work, can change it to spread or spine. So in the normal projects, we use a page. Other part is asking about keyboard increments. So in here, we have size and leading. So the normal size and leading, it's 2 point is too much. You can change it to 0.25. And the baseline shift, you can change it to 0.25 also. For the kerning and tracking, you can keep it around 5. Okay, so this is the adjustments for the keyboard increments. Another thing that it's good to look at that is the dictionary. Make sure if you work in English language, so change the language to English USA. So there are all other languages listed here. After that, let's check the display performance. Default view, keep it as typical. So when we have images in our document, specifically for the very high quality images that it's very takes too much time to open them with high quality, you can keep them as a typical, and it won't show the very high quality of the image, but it's faster to work in InDesign. However, when you print the document, the image will be printed in the actual resolution and actual quality. So it's just to display. So for your display, you can set it for typical, or even if you wanted to work faster, you can keep it as fast. And also, while you're working in your document, you can, for each image, you can set it separately for high quality if you wanted to see the actual resolution, actual display of the image. The other option is about the Greek type below, so you can keep it as 0. So this is because when we have very, very small text, normally in InDesign, based on what size of document you are working, if the text size is too small, it shows with a gray background. So you need to just zoom on that to see that actual text. So it's totally fine. So by using 0, you won't make that gray box. There are more options here that you can look on those, like spelling, like story editor display, and so on, or interface. You can change in color theme and so on. So this is up to you. So you can look through all of those and see how they work. Then hit OK. Another thing that I wanted to mention in this video is about Workspace. So if you select Window, the second option talks about the workspace. So in here, we have different workspaces here. Let me first, before start that, open a new file, open a Yeah, open a new file. Let's keep everything as it is. I just wanted to show how our workspace look like. So this is the workspace. This is where we work on that. This is a document that we, or page that we are going to design on that. And all the tools on the top right and left are we have access to those as our workspace. You can change this arrangement based on what project you are going to work. Maybe it's too busy for you and you don't need all of those, so you can just delete all of those and some of those. And if you delete them, don't worry, nothing will happen. You cannot just see those and later you can add them again. So window, workspace, here you can see the advanced checked. Maybe you can go to essentials, and after you click, you see how it changed. We have only the tools on the right and few of the in the left and in the right, but not the other ones. If you wanted, you can go back to advanced. So in the even you can manage your workspace based on your needs. So you can just grab any of these tools. And for example, if I don't need these ones, I can just delete those. If I wanted to move this on bottom of the other one, based on my use case. If you are, for example, left-handed and you prefer to keep these tools in the right, and maybe keep these ones to the left. You need to, you see what I do, just move it to the left. And as far as I see that blue line, I'll release the mouse and it will stick to the left. Otherwise, it will move around. So you can just move it anywhere that you need. Or if you want it to stick to there or right or any side, you again need to move it to the right. As far as you see the blue line, release it. And there it is, it will stick in here. So for example, if I'm happy with this workspace, you can go to Window, Workspace, and click on the new workspace, rename it as what you wanted. For example, I'll rename it as test and hit OK. Go back to Window, Workspace, and there it is. My test workspace is here. Based on your project that you're going to work, that what specific tools that you need that you can add as many workspaces as you wanted, and you can rename them as them. So if I wanted to go back to, for example, advanced, just need to click on the advanced or reset the advanced. There it is. So it's moved back to the advanced. You see, just move all the tools to the original place. And now if I go back, wanted to go back to the test, see, let's go back to what I created. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you for watching.